Hi there! I just came around to tell you a little about using nature as a reference when you make artificial lighting. Come and join me. There is nothing so beautiful as differences, the variety in light, in contrast and intensities. Look at the bright sun over there, and the darker parts of the forest over here. That's what we need in lighting installations. Now if you look at me being here on this beautiful glade, well, this is the best illustration you can get of two-component lighting installations. You have the indirect component from the entire blue sky and the direct component from the sun. This creates texture, this creates depth, this creates lighting as it's supposed to be. Whenever we see differences in illuminating intensity, we see transitions between the open land, the horizontal plane, and the forest, the vertical plane. Well, these are things that we just find beautiful. Whoops. Now take a look at this beautiful scenery. We have the variations between dark and bright. We have the perception that tells us the distance. We have all the information we need to be able to navigate safely through this environment. We need to remember these things when we make artificial lighting installations as well. If we take vertical illuminances lighting on the wall compared to lighting on the ground, we just have to keep being inspired by nature. Take a look around and look at all the beauty that surrounds you. We'll walk a little further. Lighting design often tells us to avoid glare and high contrast and powerful illuminations. But why should we do that? Whenever we walk in nature, we have lots of glare, lots of reflections, lots of high contrast and powerful illumination. We just have to use it the way nature does. Use it wisely. For more than 10 million years, people lived outdoor, and we are adapted to this environment. We are developed in this environment, and that's why we have to follow the inspiration when we move indoor. Everything we need to learn is actually out here. And if you want to learn more, well, you can buy my book, Light and Communication. It's available everywhere.